Getting paid through QuickBooks is a straightforward process that streamlines your invoicing and payment collection. Here's how to do it. Set up QuickBooks payments. Log into your QuickBooks online account. Click on the gear icon and select Account and Settings. Go to the Payments tab and follow the prompts to sign up for QuickBooks payments. This enables you to accept credit or debit card payments and ACH bank transfers. Create an invoice. Click the plus new button on the left-hand menu and select Invoice under the Customers column. Fill in customer details, including the customer name, invoice date, and due date. Add products or services. Include the products or services you are billing for, along with their quantities and rates. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total. Enable payment options. Ensure that payment options are enabled on the invoice. You can do this in the invoice settings. Send the invoice. Click Save and Send to email the invoice to your customer. They will receive a link to pay online. Track payments. Once the customer pays, QuickBooks will automatically update your records. You can view payment status under the Sales tab.